My loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how you can make these party favors for your next Incredibles party theme. So since I had 20 kids coming to the party, I went to Party City and I picked up 20 cups. You want to add some tissue paper inside of your cup. What I did was I went to the dollar store and I picked up a whole pack of tissue paper, and I made sure I had enough for every cup. 99-cent store, I figured I'd pick up these plastic clear bags, and these were actually perfect for the cups. They fit right in, and I liked how it came with the little foil straps so that you can actually tie them up. Found it easier putting the cup right into the plastic bags first and then adding the tissue paper. So I knew I wanted to add some candy inside of my party favor, so I went to Costco and I picked up some fruit roll-up. So the cool part was that the packaging was red, since the Incredibles main color is actually red. I also picked up these dinosaurs from the 99-cent store. They have a bunch of toys, so that's the cool part, that everything's $1, and sometimes they even have sunglasses, which are so cute if you want to add them inside of the cup. Since I had a lot of kids, I just figured I'd just buy some, like 1 or 2 packs worth of toys, and these were perfect. I could just stick them right in. I also wanted to add a thank you note for coming to the party, so I figured I'd print out these images that I bought from Etsy on cardstock paper, and it worked perfectly. I was able to talk to the owner so that she can just send me Dash and Jack only. It made it easier for me, and I didn't have to use so much ink. So I just cut the tags, and then I used a little bit of hot glue and I glued it onto the bag. He looks so cute yet really cool. It also helped decorate my cake table, so I didn't really have to worry about adding anything around it. Just because I had so many, I was able to scatter them around on each side of the table. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye my loves. I want to say happy birthday to my babies. Mommy and Daddy, we love you.